Hello, welcome once again, friends. In the last video, we created the logo slider and our hero section. Now we are going to create the services section. Before moving forward, I have a request to all of you. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now let's start coding and we are going to open our Visual Studio Code here. You see, in the last section, we use the sweeper slider for logo slider, and now we'll start with another section called services section. Okay, now move forward. Let's have a look at the design first. We have section title. Here is the title and title description. And here we have services. We have sit services. We will use grid for this design, grid CSS, and we have this title, link, and the image. We have gray boxes, black boxes, and green boxes. Okay. Now let's start creating this. First, we will create our uh, titles, section title. HTML we'll create HTML first and then we will move forward doing CSS. Div class container, div class row, okay, div class call value, okay. Now we'll take another div class section title, okay. Now let's see section title for our other sections like this one, okay. We have same style for section title. We will use this class and same structure, and we will do CSS only once. Let's have h3 for this services and p tag for the description. Okay, this is our section title, and here div class role 12. Okay, now we will create services. First, to have a grid, to applying a grid CSS, please check the structure here what I write. Services wrap. Okay, in this we will have div class each single service. Okay, now we'll create service structure. We have service content and service image. Okay, now we will create class service content. Please have a look how I am writing the defining the class's name. Like we have services ref or services wrapper. You can services block. You can write anything. And to the section, I have write services section. Here I wrote single service, and in the single service we have service content, and we have class service image. Okay. In the service content, we have link and the service title. So service title, or we can use h2 here. Okay, in the service section title and h3 in the service content, and anchor tag. Okay, hashtag here in the service here, we will use span 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 close here. Okay. Now here. Okay. Now we have this learn more, and we need to add this icon also. Image source. Okay. We have two kind of icons, one, two, three, four, and one, two. Okay. Black and white. Learn more icons. Export them as SVG or SVG export icon. Okay. Now export white icon SVG. Okay. Now move them to the folder. Let me open the folder. Stick.html and post it. Here you see, replace, change the name, black, learn more icon. Okay. F2, white, learn more icon. Okay. Now uh, export the images. This one is 210 into 170. Okay. All of the images are of same width, 210. Export PNG image so that we can get transparent background. Export illustration. Change the names of the images with the services title. Like this one is search engine optimization. We will change the name of the image to SEO. First, let's export them all. PNG. Okay. Export PNG. Okay. Export. 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 Okay. Now all images are exported. Change their names. Mm, 1 second. We'll change their names to PPC. Here we have this one. F2. Okay. This SMM. And this one. Email marketing. This one. Content. This one. Analytics. Okay. Move them to our images folder here. Okay. Now add them here. Images slash black. Okay. And here image tag, images slash, this one is SEO. Okay, now the structure for the single service is completed. Copy this. Okay, one more thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now let's look at the front end. Here you see we have all of the HTML. Now change the content. Mm, okay, okay. Here we have search engine, pay per click, okay, advertising. One second. Here we have PPC. Okay. Now the third one is social media marketing. SMM. Okay. Fourth one is email marketing. Try to copy the content. Don't waste your time in writing the code, because when you write something, there will be a chance of mistakes, and the clients don't like this, to have spelling mistakes things. Now okay, this one is complete, and here change the images, content, and analytics. Okay, email marketing, yes, these are done. In social media marketing, social, here we have white icon. Okay, and in the analytics we have white learn more icon. Save. Now let's look at the front end. Content is updated. Okay, now let's style them. Inspect. You have to learn how we use the inspect this developer section, and with this you can style it quickly and check it quickly. And we have section title. We are going to use this class. Okay, section title in CSS. One thing I forgot, what they are using. They are using H3. Okay, yes, we are using H3 for this one, and here we have H2. You see in here, we already defined the styles of H2 and H3, so we don't need to write the H2 style again. Now we just need to do that this green color and align accordingly to the design. We have section title. Now this is class, add a dot. Now display flats. Okay. In section title we have h3 and background color. We have h2. Mm, this this one. Okay, this green color. Detach. Okay, 1 second. Here is the color. Let's have a look. This one is h2 in the section title. Okay, here you see we have some padding here, 7 pixel. Padding 7 pixel 0. Okay, now let's have a look. What is the gap is 40 pixel. 40 pixel gap, and its width is 580 pixel. Okay, gap 40 pixel. Align item center. Section title P, and max width 580 pixel. Okay, now let's have a look. You see, we gave top. We need to give right and left padding. Now it is fine. Here is some border radius. Let's see. Border radius. No. Copy paste. Yes. 7 pixel here. See, 7 pixel border radius. Section title H2. Border radius 7 pixel. Section title is ready. I think. See, there is a margin to the P type. Margin 0. Now it looks fine. Now we need to give whole section title margin 80 pixel. Margin bottom 80 pixel. Yes, it's fine now. Now let's start designing our services section here. We will create this one as the general design with this gray block, and then we will do this our style for the green block and the black block. Now let's start. By default there will be a gray style applying. This one services wrap. Okay, this we need to give display grid. Okay, grid template columns 1 FR and 1 FR. Okay, there will be 2 columns in 1 row, and gap will be 40 pixel. Let's have a look here. Here you see the 40 pixel, and here also is 40 pixel. So We don't need to give separately gaps like column gap or row gap. And let's have a look at the front end, you see. Okay, now we will start single service. Single service here. Selected this one. Okay, copy paste. Yes, yes, okay. Now paste it here. Display flats. Okay, flat selection row. Space between a line item center. Padding 50 pixel. Gap. Okay, width we don't need. Background we needed. Border, both shadow, border radius. Okay, yes. Just keep what is needed. Let's have a look here. Here you see how quickly it is. And now we need to, here we have gap also. If we remove this gap, then this one, okay. We don't need this gap because we are uh, here we have justify content space between, means there will be a space uh, between the both the divs, like this service content and service image. It will be auto adjust. Now we need to do styling. This one h3, service content h3 and span, display block, inline block. Okay, background color, this one same as h2, and padding and border radius. Okay, sorry. Now let's have a look our design. Okay, okay, this one is look like this. Okay, if we add display block or mm, display inline, we need to inline block, and we need to break them so that the text will come into the next line. We can add BR tag, social media marketing, with the search engine optimization is coming to 2 lines. Okay, pay per click, 2 lines. Okay, social media marketing, email marketing, we can put BR tag, and content creation, BR tag. Okay, we can add BR tag to all services so that every screen design we don't need to check. Controls. Okay, now let's have a look. Now it is fine. Let's design our button first, then move forward. Services, content, and a text decoration, none. Okay, color will be the black, copy paste code CSS. We need this one only, this one, and this one. Okay, controls. We need to now service content a. Okay, display flats, align item center, and gap will be the 15 pixel. gap pixel. Now here also we have a gap. Okay, service content h3. H3 we need to give h3 margin 0. Okay, service content height 100%. Display flats direction column. Okay, justify content space between. Let's have a look. Here you see, let me show you here what we did. We give service content display flags to service content. In our design, you see, we have a gap between the learn more and the service title. To add this one, we have using the flex property to the service content. And here, let me this and height also. Okay, current before it was look like this. When we give height 100%, it starts taking height service content. You see, it is taking height of all the div content, and then we give display flex and flex direction column. When we do flex direction column, then it will uh, show that align the content as per the column wise, like one column as a one div as a one column taking in one row, and then take another div as another column and showing another row. Okay, flex direction column will uh, direction will be the downwards vertically side, and justify content space between, and it will add the space between both the elements, equal space. And now it looks fine. Let me see what is the height of this. Height of this one is 310 pixel. Okay, and how much height we have. Okay, we can give height so that all the services will have the same height as per design, 310 pixel. Okay, now you see it's looking fine as per the design. Now we need to do the green block and the black block. Okay, for green block we need to add a class to the service. This one is green, this one is green. Green hyphen service. Okay, green service, and this one will be the black hyphen service. Okay, or we can use green BG background, black with black background. And now here content creation is green background, green background. Here is the black background. Okay, here we did one mistake. We forgot to add, there is a spelling mistake, like we didn't add service r. uh, for now it's fine, but be careful while writing the names. And let's have a look here. What is changing here is the green background and this background color. Okay, now we will take bg single service. Okay, single service dot green hyphen bg. Okay, here we need to update background color. Okay, and here for the same will be for the black. Let's have a check. Here we have this one. Okay, 0. Okay, now should replace this one with the green color and here with the black color. Okay, save it and save it, and here we have this H3. We need to replace the background color of the H3. H3 span. H3 span. Okay, here we have the white background color. White. Okay, here single service content. Okay, and this one is for the green background class here. Okay, and same for the control C to comma, and this one also we can give same style to different divs or elements. Black beach. Okay, now let's have a look at the front end. Here you see one thing is left. We need to give padding to our sections. Here is 140-70 pixel from top padding, and here we have 100 pixel padding. Service section. Okay, this one is service section. Okay, now padding 70 pixel, 0 and 100 pixel. Now have a look front end. Service section. What services? You see here I write the class, but I didn't write the class name proper. So try to copy the classes and all IDs, all the things, so that we will not having any mistake. And here you see we are getting the padding at the top and the bottom. Now the services section is complete. In this way we will create the services section. Thank you so much for watching this. In the next video I will show you how we will create this let's make this happen section, and then we will do case study section, our working process, team section, testimonial section, contact access section, and footer. And then we will also do the responsive of this web page. Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you.